Gas here at PTPGun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Taurus Model 66 for the purposes of cleaning and maintaining the firearm. First step is you want to make sure that you go ahead and hit the cylinder release forward, pop that cylinder out, check to make sure that all cylinders are, or all chambers in the cylinder are empty, and they are. And from here, this is actually as far as you're actually going to take this firearm apart for cleaning or maintaining the firearm. Any farther than that, and you want to make sure you have proper armorer's training on that, which we're not going to show you that here today. But you can clean the chambers, the barrel, the frame all from here. You can put the slide back or the cylinder back in. You can go ahead and cock the hammer back and be able to get inside there as well for cleaning. But this is the all you need to know when it comes to disassembling and reassembling this firearm for usual cleaning and maintaining purposes. For more videos on taking apart and cleaning other firearms, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PTPGun. And that you also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you all again. Remember to stay safe and to train to survive.